So I would like to welcome him here. And also we have got most senior artist of Nepal, Govinda Dongol sir. He's our teacher guru, so most senior. And also I would like to welcome here our chairman, Arup Chandra. I would like to welcome him. And also we have got our member secretary from Nepal Finance Academy, Devendra Khushaliji. So I would like to welcome here. Today, this event, what we're doing is not that long. So we'll be staying here for almost 2 hours, I think. Within 3 hours, we'll be finishing our event. And this is little formal, event that we are having here. First of all, so I would like to. So we have got our team also, IWS Nepal team also. IWS Nepal ka साथीहरु पनि यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ.